of MMM. This is Alex Osei, a participant of MMM from Ghana. I'm here to use this. This is my online video, and I'm here to use this opportunity to teach you about the benefits of MMM. When you become a participant of MMM and you provide help, which we call PH, any amount you put in, you receive a 30% more per month for your donation. When you are a new participant, as you register and provide help, you also make a registration bonus that goes from $20 to $100, depending on the amount you put in. If you put in from 250 Ghana to 2,200 Ghana cedi, you make a registration bonus of $20. As you put in 2,250 Ghana cedi to 13,000, MMM offers you a registration bonus of $50. And as you make a donation of 13,250 and above, MMM gives you $100. When you, after GHing, when you make a testimonial, a clear testimonial video, you also gain a bonus of 10% of your GH. We encourage each and every participant, as you register and PH and when you GH, try to make your testimonial video so that you can gain this bonus. We also have what we call referral bonus. As you join MMM doesn't want you to be greedy, selfish. Invite others to come and gain these benefits of MMM. And when you do so, as you invite someone who also registers in PH, you make a 10% of any amount, any donation that fellow put in. And the referral bonuses continues. It's not only once. When your downlines continue PHing and GHing, you continue making referral bonuses. We also have what we call leaders bonus. MMM gives you opportunity to rise and become manager, which we call guiders. As you become a guider, you also make bonuses from your downlines. And these bonuses goes from your first generation, you make 5% of any GH, any PH of your downlines. You make a 3% from your second level, 2% from the third level, and so on. My dear participants, the bonuses in MMM are uncountable. As you become a participant of MMM, you make a lot of bonuses. These are our enjoyments. I encourage all of you here to register and become participants for all of us to enjoy this opportunity. Long live MMM. Long live Ghana. Thank you.